Once again, this is also here we have to discuss about water, but here pollution, water pollution. Here you should know this thing. If you want to exist on the earth for a long time, we should keep water fresh. Okay, if we will not keep, then we will not longer living on the earth. Here we have already learnt about the natural sources of water. You know this thing, digestion purposes also. Water is an important natural resource which is essential for all living beings. It is a habitat for many plants and animals. Okay, you are seeing rain is occurring. Here harmful gases present in air, but also dust, smoke, particles and germs getting mixed in it. In which thing? Rain. In rain, water containing impurities called polluted water. The processes which make water impure result in pollution of water. Okay, you are doing in these days polluted water. Pollution is occurring in our nature. We are creating such type of difficulties in nature. Okay, causes of water pollution. Here you are seeing, you are observing cattle in rivers. Okay, you know this thing. People wash their clothes and bath in rivers. Some people bath their cattle in rivers. People throw domestic waste in rivers. Waste materials and harmful chemicals from factories are often dumped in river water. Solid waste material from power plants may be thrown into the river water. Washing clothes in rivers. Here you are observing in this figure, washing clothes in rivers. Here waste are being thrown into rivers. Here from factory, these waste are being thrown into rivers. Okay, oil sometimes get spilled by tankers into the sea. Here due to some certain reasons, oil may spilled. Effects of water pollution. Poisonous chemicals from factories kill marine animals. Industrial and agriculture waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water. Microorganism, tiny organism, very small organism. For the aquatic animals which live in the water, oil spills from a cover on the surface of water. This cuts off the supply of oxygen to the animals living underwater. You know about this thing. Drinking polluted water may cause disease like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera and jaundice. Prevention of water pollution. How do you prevent? You know this thing. You are using water, so you should prevent from water pollution. Water should be not polluted. How do you prevent this thing? Waste from factories and powerhouses should not be allowed to flow into rivers directly. Pipes carrying sewage should be kept away from the pipes carrying drinking water. Keywords. Domestic waste. What is the meaning of domestic waste? Waste produced in homes. Fertilizers, materials used to increase the production of crops. Oil spills are leaked from tankers carrying it. Pesticides, chemicals used to save the crops from birds, rats and insects. Okay, pesticides are used in field where their farmer grow their crop. Okay, here question answer. Rainwater, polluted, pesticides, polluted, industrial. True, false. Cholera, it reduces fertility of soil. Cut off the supply of oxygen for aquatic animals. People do not wash clothes or bath their cattle in rivers. Here, dirt and germs. Wash cloth and bath. Waste materials and harmful chemicals. Cholera and jaundice. Fertilizers and pesticides. Here, state the values displayed by Ria. Devotion and sacrifice. Dig a pit and put into them. What thing? Puja materials. Proper burn. Okay. You should burn the puja materials properly, so there will be left only S. Okay. And I hope I have left something to do, value based question, something to do note. value based question of chapter 8. So here once again value based question chapter 8 I have left, and I hope this is left, so I am here providing answer of this question. First, water scarcity. Second, to save water. Answer third, use for irrigation. Here you should understand this thing. This is value based question of chapter 8. Okay, I have written this thing. And now question answer has left of E chapter 10. Try to write all the things. You will pause the video and you are able to write answer question answer. Okay, industrial and agricultural waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water. This can reduce the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animals. When polluted water used for irrigation, the fertility of soil gets reduced and crops can get damaged. Oil spills from a cover on the surface of water. This cuts off the supply of oxygen to the animals living underwater. 4 effects of water pollution are as following. Poisonous chemicals kill marine animals. Waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water. Oil spills from a cover. This cuts off the supply of oxygen to the animals living underwater. Drinking polluted water may cause diseases. 4 ways of reducing water pollution are as following. Waste should not be allowed to flow into rivers directly. Pipes carrying sewage should be kept away from the pipes carrying drinking water. Water from drains or sewage should not be allowed to enter into wells or rivers. People should not wash clothes or use soaps if they bath in rivers. Okay, these are the answer of chapter 10 class 4 chapter 10 EVS water pollution. Okay, in case of any problem you may send message that sir I wanted to question answer of such chapters. I will provide PDF also. Okay, there should be no problem, but I want to share one thing, and that thing is please subscribe my channel on YouTube SK Singh Bikramganj. My channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. Subscribe this channel so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.